Yo, what is up, what is up? So today we are looking at the animals fight. So today we are looking for a beast fight, that animals fight. This first one is the buffalo fight. My man, the way they are doing the destruction, if somebody interfere into their matter, he's gone forever. This is Pitbull and a street dog. Pitbull is very strong, guys. Pitbull can kill a street dog in just 1 minute. And it can even kill a human. Pitbull are extremely dangerous. Don't just say it's a dog. I mean, it's dangerous, bro. I think these are very dangerous dogs. They can kill anything in a few seconds. My man, Crocodile, you are a loser. My man caught the cheetah. Crocodile is on fire.
Crocodile vs.
I mean, crocodile
other
can be
animals,
dangerous, guys.
Number 3.
If you get stuck into the water, you're gone forever. I mean, a small crocodile child is able to beat cheetah. But never a lion. Because when lion appear, crocodile disappear. Zebra tries to kill foal while mother fights back. The rhino versus goat fight. The rhino is 5 times bigger than the goat. I don't think rhino have some odds to win against the buffalo or rhino. Bro, your name is just a goat, but you are not a goat. Lionel Messi is the goat. My man is giving a racism, Black Lives Matter stand. This is alligator fight in a real life.
All right, you guys, stop playing around. Okay? Hey! Hey, get off him! Hey! Mom! You're gonna break his neck, man! Frankie, stop! You're gonna break your brother's neck! Mom! Get the door gun! He's crying, Mom!
These two big gorillas are fighting. I think these two are small brothers or small sisters, I don't know. But look at that small kid. When dad appears, kids disappear. My man, look at his body, bro. My man is on steroids. I don't know, bro. Just ask someone, are you on steroids? Okay, this American bully came into his yard to challenge his dog. My man is a Sigma, bro. Just look at reaction. If they both started fighting, then something scary gonna happen, bro. This is a next street fight. It's more like a comedy street fight.
Oh, it wants to eat you. Oh, it's gonna get you. Oh, look at him. Don't eat him. Don't eat him. I've never heard a praying mantis scream.
These two kangaroo fights. They can be good boxers. Logan Paul versus Jake Paul. Two brothers lost in the jungle and they are fighting. My man, they fight and they wait for 3 seconds. They fight, they wait for 3 seconds. They both have like late reaction. That's a fight between a dog and a duck. The dog face is messed up. And I give some credit for a duck. Not getting scared of a dog and still he's fighting him. It's a dog versus the hen. Are you kidding me? This has to be joke. Dog is getting scared of a kur hen The hen is on some drug, bro. Look at his hairstyle. This. Next is rabbit versus the dog. Man, dog, man. Ayo. I think the leg was fractured. Another fight. These two huge tiger fight each other. Guys, if someone appear in the middle, then that guy will be disappear. Look at their fighting. When two beasts are fighting and one huge beast appear, that's a lion. Then they both gonna be silent. These two bear fights. And the cameraman, I don't know from where they appear. And they start filming this. Okay. The huge fight has been started. Face to face is going on. It's more like they both are gonna do kissing. Something scary is gonna happen. I don't know, guys. Let's watch it. I think the fight hasn't been started. Romance is still going on. The fight has been started. Yes, it's going on. My man gave a suplex city. I think WWE should give their permission to fight. This is snake versus a fox. Rattlesnake versus fox. This is gonna be the huge battle between them. Guys, I'm not recording them, so don't blame me. So they are recording, they uploading in TikTok. I just saw it. Okay. This fox is being patient and looking for a correct time to attack that rattlesnake. Okay, up and down, up and down. It's just waiting for a correct time. This is two giraffe fight. Oh, that's more like a comedy fight. Another shit. That was some type of pure comedy from the two giraffes. This is the fight of the century. Two horses meet each other. My man gave a black kick. Oh shit, that's a black kick. That's a flying kick. Okay, my man black horse is trying to make hairstyle. And that's it. And another, the white horse is on fire. And they are tired. So he called his gang to fight them. My man, Black Stallone has really violated this guy. That is some type of battle, bro. Okay, my man is trying to give a high kick. Oh. When King Kong meets King Kong, that's some type of battle. If they try to destroy the glasses, the glass will be broken.
Henry, get away.
I don't know, if they are fighting or they are playing hide and seek, running. I think they are on a diet. Run, fight.
They are like that. Oh my god. They're like going to do the whole of that.
This is Lolong. This is the biggest crocodile. He's 20 feet. I mean 1 ton. The real biggest crocodile you ever seen in your life. Are you sure? Yes.
this crocodile was compared to everybody else. Lo Long's stomach was pumped, and there was no evidence of human remains inside of this crocodile, so there's suspected that there might have been another one, but this is not proven. Lo Long was brought to a facility where they were able to do some scientific stuff on it, and to hear about that, like and comment for part 3.
This is a tiger versus lion fight. It doesn't matter, guys. Lion alone can fight 3-4 tigers. Lion is the king of the jungle. You can see the fear in the tiger's eyes. I said it many times, lion appears, all the animals disappears. Okay. Rottweiler, 2 dogs are going face to face. The fight has been started. Sometimes I say the people are stupid. They are wantonly making a fight between the dogs. And this has to be nonsense, bro. This hippo wants his teeth cleaned by the rhino. I said, please guys fight, not do romance. My man hippo just roasted rhino. My man rhino thought he was the king of the jungle, but he was the dentist of the jungle.
It doesn't seem like that aggressive though. It's almost like I just play. So that little Rana doesn't want to. Great guy.